Happy ng baby namin?
Yeah.
Happy ka na?
Ginawa ko sa balon ko.
Happy birthday, bebe! I love you!
Thank you. I love you too. Hello guys. I'm so good. Oh. Look my cheek. So we could have this. And look, I have all. Wait for me here. Here, read that. If you cannot read, tell it to your mom. So, comment for part 3. I'm gonna read. This is the part 3. I'm gonna read my each name with my teacher. Lovely and Akosa. That's Kunti. Sorry. Think of my That's my sister. Bye-bye, guys. Wait. I'm back now. So, bye.